Tax rebates, subsidies and use of technology is key in pushing up off-grid renewable energy in the country. Speakers at the Renewable Energy Forum say with an appropriate global support and investment, favorable policies and incentives, Kenya could achieve universal access to electricity and transition to clean cooking by the year 2028.
Even though the number of Kenyans with reliable access to energy has increased from 40% in 2013 to the current 75% of the population, millions are yet to have electricity as well as safe cooking fuels and technologies. Speakers at a Renewable Energy Forum in Nairobi advocated for interventions to enhance connection of more people with clean, affordable off-grid power to raise the standard of living for communities.
We have still about 30% of our population to be connected. The commitment by His Excellency the President is to have our grid 100% clean by 2030. That is just about 7 years from now. And all the efforts of His Excellency and the entire government is towards achieving that. The other one is, of course, the whole issue of clean cooking, which is a big problem, and both for health purposes and health impacts that it has on our families and on ourselves.
They backed tax incentives and consumer subsidies to drive off-grid renewable energy to widen access to clean and affordable energy, especially among those living in remote areas.
One of the transformational issues is wind energy and solar energy. We are saying the county governments can give free land, can give, also the government can give, tax rebates, so that then these people are motivated to be able to start off with their work, and also people can access energy through that sort of activation.
To be able to create a conducive environment for uptake of, for instance, off-grid solutions like solar, which is, as we realized, most of the marginalized groups, communities from the arid and semi-arid areas have huge potential for solar uptake, wind uptake.
They also called for increased adaptation financing in energy access from global partners.